Oh my gosh. So far. Okay. It's levitating.
Good morning, guys. Just wanted to bring y'all a little video about the new bed I just purchased off of Amazon. There you see it set up. It consists of 2 twin XL mattresses. This is the actual, so you can see it off of Amazon. I purchased it, a split king adjustable bed base. So you get 2 twin XLs, which put together, sandwiched together, equals 1 king size bed. This is the actual paperwork booklet that came with it. It is fully adjustable at the head and the feet. It has massage, has lights underneath it. Works really quiet. I'll be quiet now and raise the head up so you can hear it. Sorry, that's the feet raising up. So it's super quiet. It has a lay flat button. You hit the flat button, and the whole thing goes down back to flat. So get yourself one. I'm very impressed with it. Seems well made. Everything is good. Here's where you can get it, off of Amazon. Okay. Thanks, guys.
the bed lighting, as well as like preset. And then if you ever want to just go back to flat, just click the button, it goes back to flat. But I like that you can also preset like 2 different settings to where if you like TV mode, or if you want kind of slightly elevated mode, or you can just individually play with it. But I typically use the preset modes all the time. And then you can also do 0G or anti-snore. So it works. You know, this is like 3 times cheaper than the alternatives online. So the question I always have is like, is it going to work? And it did. We put it together without any problems. It works. And it's great. So as long as this thing lasts for many years, we're going to be very happy that we made this purchase instead of other alternatives.
Received this adjustable bed from Irvine collection. You hit the anti-snore button twice, and it raises up the head. Very quiet. And you hit the flat button twice. It goes down back flat. Zero gravity. It's not going to work real well without anybody laying on it, but it raises the head and the foot. It's very comfortable. It's unbelievable. You can see it's raising up there when you're laying on it. That in the middle there, well, the mattress goes down instead of raising up like straight. But it's just amazing. I can't even explain to you how good it feels. Very quiet. The vibration works good. The massage works excellent. And very good purchase. I'm glad I made it.
So just doing a review about this adjustable base. It's kind of nice. It's got a remote control that looks like this. And this brings it up, and this brings the back up. And I went with zero clearance. It came with legs that I could screw on, but I have a bed with a base, and it kind of looks funky up like that. The other thing that this one comes with lights. And you'll notice when I do lights, it just kind of lights up the bottom part. So it's probably better if you have like the pegs on it. So far, it's been pretty good. The vibrating on it looks pretty cool. I'm also set it back to flat. And then this is what it looks like flat. I'll turn off the lights too. Let's go flat. So it did bring my bed up a little higher than I would have liked to, but altogether it seems pretty sturdy, and the lights work. Everything's working as advertised, and I'm glad I didn't have to have those feet on there. So the zero clearance option worked out great. I'd give it 4 or 5 stars as advertised.
Very easy to set up. Seems to be pretty solid. Nice remote control that's backlit. All the functions seem to work good. Yeah, I think I would recommend this. Really hard to beat for the price. Got lights underneath. Massage function. Pretty nice unit.
I just purchased this bed about 2-3 weeks ago. I absolutely love it. My favorite position is the zero gravity. I sleep so well in this mode. I can't believe how amazing this bed is. It works fantastic. was easy to put together, a little heavy. You definitely need 2 people. Has lighting underneath, and the adjustments are great, and my dog even sleeps better.